Over 80 million people are silently losing their vision to this sight thief. Don't ignore these symptoms after 60. Did you know that more than 80 million people worldwide are silently battling glaucoma? And by 2040, that number is expected to skyrocket to 111 million. But here's what's even more alarming. Magnifying glass tilted left if you're over 60, have you noticed? Blurry or worsening vision. Difficulty seeing at night? Rainbow-like halos around lights? A strange pressure behind your eyes? This isn't just aging, it could be the early signs of cataracts or glaucoma, two of the leading causes of permanent vision loss in adults. The silent vision thief, how darkness creeps in. These diseases don't announce their arrival. They steal your sight gradually, like a thief in the night, robbing you of the ability to read, drive, or recognize loved ones. In my 30 years as a doctor, I've seen too many vibrant seniors lose their vision without realizing they could have fought back. But here's the good news. What you drink every morning could be the key to saving your eyesight. Today, I'll share 8 science-backed drinks that white heavy checkmark lower eye pressure, glaucoma's worst enemy. White heavy checkmark clear oxidative damage, slowing cataracts. White heavy checkmark strengthen your retina, protecting against degeneration. The last one is so powerful, yet 99% of people have never heard of it. Herb drink number 1, green tea, nature's pressure regulator. Your morning cup of green tea is secretly shielding your eyes. Its catechins form an antioxidant barrier inside your eye tissues. Science says. A 2010 study found green tea extract lowers eye pressure for up to 20 hours. Real-life case, Walter, a retired librarian, switched from coffee to green tea. Within months, his eye pressure stabilized, and colors appeared brighter. Tangerine drink number 2, orange juice, the cataract fighter. When proteins in your eye's lens clump together, cataracts form. But vitamin C in orange juice breaks them down. 10-year twin study. High vitamin C intake reduced cataract progression by 33%. Martha, 68, drinks fresh OJ daily. It's my small act of defiance against vision loss. Drink number 3, red wine, in moderation, the grape's gift to your eyes. Red wine's resveratrol and lutein provide double protection. UK Biobank study. 500,000 people moderate drinkers had lower severe cataract risk. Warning key rule, no more than 1 glass, 150 milliliters, per day, excess harms more than helps. Carrot drink number 4, carrot juice, night vision in a glass. Beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A, is essential for seeing clearly in low light. Preventing retinal degeneration. Juicing triples absorption, think of it as liquid eye armor. Red Heart drink number 5, beetroot juice, the circulation booster. Beets nitrates convert to nitric oxide, which relaxes eye blood vessels, reducing glaucoma risk. Improves drainage in the eye's fluid system. Just 130 g daily works, blend with carrot and ginger for better taste. Glowing Star drink number 6, blueberry smoothie, the retina's shield. Anthocyanins plus riboflavin team up to strengthen eye capillaries. Delay lens clouding. Mix with yogurt for a gut eye double benefit. Yellow Heart drink number 7, turmeric milk, the anti-pollution elixir. Curcumin in turmeric protects against environmental toxins damaging the lens. 73-year-old Eleanor drank it nightly. Within 2 months, my vision and mind feel sharper. Leafy green drink number 8, spinach smoothie, the glaucoma blockade. Just 2 handfuls of spinach daily leads to 30% lower glaucoma risk, proven in studies. Lutein and Zeaxanthin filtering harmful blue light. Blend with banana for a creamy, sweet treat. Key your simple action plan. You don't need all 8 drinks daily. Just rotate. Sunrise morning, green tea/orange juice. Sun noon, carrot juice/blueberry smoothie. Crescent moon evening, beetroot juice, or a glass of red wine. Last quarter moon face night, turmeric golden milk. Every sip is a promise. I'm protecting my vision so I can see my grandkids grow up. If this gave you hope, thumbs up, like to help others find this. Speech balloon, comment your biggest eye concern. Bell, subscribe for more science-backed tips. Your sight is priceless, guard it wisely. Eye sparkles.